Okay, hash include stdio.h, then hash include then integer main, here integer n, fact is equal to suppose 1, printf enter any number, scanf percentage d and n. I will take another variable, suppose here I, for I is equal to 1, I less than equal to n, then I plus plus, fact is equal to fact into I. Then printf factorial of percentage d is equal to fact, then return 0, okay. This is the simple program we have written for finding factorial of number without using any extra function. Okay, we'll see what will be the output. Okay, see here, enter any number. Suppose I have entered a number is 4, the what will be the output is wait a minute.
हॅलो सर
Yes.
फॅक्ट इंटू आय करायचं राहिले तुम्ही वन
Oh,
केला
one झालंय का? ओके 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 1 minute. Percentage factorial of percentage d number is percentage d then n. Okay, then number 4. So factorial of 4, factorial of 4 number is 24, or factorial of 4, instead of number we remove this. Okay, factorial of 4 is 24. Are you getting? This is a without function. Okay, suppose I want to write the same program with a function, then what will be the procedure? I want to write the same program with a function. Okay, see, in this box, I want to write a program with a function. So here I will declare a function. Suppose ABC, name of function is ABC, void or int ABC, and suppose parameter integer. Okay, this out of table program is without function. In table we are writing a program with function of same program, finding factorial. So what will be the here? We have declared a function, then here we will call the function ABC, then passing the value is n, then return a 0. and then this is end of main function. Then go to the definition of the function. So int abc, then suppose here a variable, local variable here int x, then here we declare here once again local variable int I, and fact is equal to 1, int I, fact is equal to 1, then we remove this local variable from here. Then for I equal to 0, sorry, I equal to 1, I less than equal to here local variable instead of n, here x. What is the value of x? Here we have passed the value of x is n. So fact is equal to fact into I, and here print factorial percentage d is equal to factorial is factorial of percentage d is percentage d, then here x, then fact, then return 0, then bracket complete. We will see the code of this program. What will be the output of this code? Are you getting?
Yes,
See
sir.
see the code and the input and the output of the program. Here in this case we have function is declared, here function is called, and here function definition is written. Okay, now we want to write the same program, or the problem statement is same but with recursive function. Find the factorial of a number with recursive function. Then what are the steps? First you should have to declare function. Suppose I will change, make the change in this program. Here suppose you have declared a function pqr, passed a value, parameter integer. Here function declaration is done. Then calling function here pqr, then pass the value is suppose n. Okay, then return 0, then main function is completed here. Here pqr function is called. Then now we move towards a definition of that function. So int pqr, then integer local variable, suppose x, here another local variables we will take integer I, fact is equal to 1. Here we should have to check entered number is suppose 1, then what to do? In the case previous two cases we have not checked what is the entered number 1, 2, 3 or whatever, but in recursive function you should have to check if the entered number is 1, then what to do? If entered number is more than 1, then what to do? So here we should have to consider two cases. Here we should have to consider two cases. If number is exactly 1 and if number is greater than 1. So first we will check if number is exactly 1. That is, if x, that is here enter number n is passed to that function. Now x is equal to that n, and that entered n is suppose 1. So that is x is equal to 1. Then return 1. Then return 1. Okay, if enter number is exactly 1, then you will get, it will return 1. If enter number is greater than 1, then else you should have to write here fact is equal to, instead of fact is equal to here x into pqr. Here we are calling the same function with parameter x minus 1. We are here number is reducing. Then whenever this condition becomes false, or whenever this condition becomes true, if condition becomes true, then it will go to the print factorial of percentage d, or here 1 minute. Okay, factorial is percentage d, and then fact. Okay, we will see first execute of this program, then return 0. Okay, enter any number. Suppose I have entered 4. One minute. Okay, I will declare here another variable, suppose a, and here a is equal to pqrn, and factorial is percentage d, then a. Fact. Okay. Okay. See here. Here function is declared. Function is declared. Okay, with only one parameter. Here in the main function, we have taken two local variables n and a. N for enter any number, and a is declared, or a is in value of a, or at a is stored a value of function pqr. Okay, so here function pqr is called. So go to the definition of this function. Here definition of this function: if entered a number, that is x, is exactly equal to 1, then what to do? And if x is greater than 1, then what to do? If x is equal to exactly equal to 1, then return 1. If x is greater than 1, then go to the else part, that is fact is equal to x into pqr x minus 1, then return fact. Okay, are you getting? Hello, are you getting or not? Okay, this is the whole program for by using recursive function for finding factorial of a number. Here function is declared, here function is called, and here definition of function is written. Are you getting? Hello, are you getting? Okay. I have given instruction while joining lecture, write your division, then roll number, then your name. Don't join any other name such as Galaxy J6 Plus, Galaxy A7, Redmi, Realme 6 Pro. Okay. So keep in mind while joining any session, join with division, then roll number, then your name. Otherwise, there will be marked as absent. Are you getting? Hello? May I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. We will once again we will take in next lecture recursive function, then move towards our syllabus in next lecture. We'll stop here.